Welcome back to our fifth case study. And as you look at this question as a whole, you can see that this is going to be a case study related to polynomials, correct? So what does it say? A rainbow is an arc of colors that is visible in the sky after rain or when water droplets are present in the atmosphere, okay? Basically, we call that as a dispersion of light. So the color of the rainbow are generally red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So basically we know that as Vibgyor, correct? Each color of the rainbow makes a parabola. We know that any quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0, represents a parabola on the graph paper. So based on the above information, answer the following questions. The graph of a rainbow y is equal to f of x is shown in the figure. So here is the figure. Write the number of zeros of the above curve. So as you can see, number of zeros means the number of points where it cuts the x-axis, okay? As you closely observe, it has cut 2 points on the x-axis. So therefore, the answer for this will be 2. If the graph of the rainbow does not intersect the x-axis, but intersects y-axis at one point, then how many zeros will it have? So for this, let us redraw it. So it's for the second question, okay? First question, it already have written, which is 2. For the second question, let us draw it, okay? So it is intersecting y-axis at one point and does not intersect the x-axis. It's clearly mentioned, correct? So therefore, the curve will be like this. So here it intersects y at one point but does not intersect x-axis. So therefore, what we can say for this question, it has no zeros. Why no zeros? It is mandatory for a parabola curve or quadratic curve to intersect the x-axis, but it doesn't intersect, so it has no zeros. Okay, let's move on to the third question. If a rainbow is represented by the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b, whose zeros are 2 and minus 3, find the value of a and b. So here what we can see, the zeros are 2 and minus 3, correct? That means according to this, what we can write is, see, for the third question, they have given us x value, okay? The values of x. So x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 3. And the polynomial given is, so let us substitute these values in the polynomial, okay? We need to find the value of a and the value of b. So let us solve it. So first let us substitute x as 2. Since it is 0 of the polynomial, we can write it as equal to 0. Let us mark it as equation number 1. Now let us take x as minus 3. This is our equation number. So as you can see here, I transposed minus 3a and b other side, becomes 3a minus b. So 3a minus b is equal to 6 is going to be our second equation. So let us go for elimination of this. Okay. Now as you can see here, plus b and minus b, right? So they are having opposite sign. It's easy for me to cancel. So what I will do, I will add equation 1 and equation 2. So when we add equation 1 and 2, what happens? 2a plus b is equal to minus 6 and 3a minus b is equal to 6. If I add, b and b cancels. 2 plus 3 will give you 5a, and which is equal to minus 6 plus 6 will give you 0. Therefore, what I can say, a is equal to 0 by 5, a is equals to 0. So we got the value of a, correct? Now let us find the value of b. To find the value of b, what we can do, we will take any one of these equations. So I will go with the equation number 1. So I am going to take a help of equation number 1, that is 2a plus b is equal to minus 6. So a is 0. So what I can write, 2 into 0 plus b is equal to minus 6. So therefore b is equal to what? minus 6. So we got the answer of third question. But as you can see in the third question, we have one more, right? See, the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 7p plus 3 represents the rainbow. If it represents a rainbow, in that what they are saying, if minus 4 is a 0 of it, find the value of p. That means what? Whenever they talk about zeros, it means the value of the variable. So here again they told that x is minus 4 and we need to find the value of p. So already we have done it. So we'll complete the second part. So now we are going to work with the third question only, but it is a b. Here x is equals to what? Minus 4. So the given polynomial is, that's an answer. Okay. So you can see here this question has been asked in 2024 CBSE board exam. I think basically it is a basic paper. Okay. Okay. Thank you.